Slushies to me are those sugar shitstorm, bright coloured blue, yellow, pink, red drinks that come out of a machine and in a big cup, and it's gross. And this is the exact opposite. You're gonna need a really big handful of parsley straight into the blender and some lime juice. And there's about 3 limes here. Now it seems a lot, but it's so delicious. Pinch of salt and some maple. Absolutely sublime. Loads of ice. And we need some water. And we're gonna blend. This is where you're gonna taste and make a decision. Is that enough sweetness for you? You need to make the decision. Okay, it is for me. Into a glass we go. And slushies are designed to look like this. To slush up. It's exactly what they're designed to do, to slush up. Now my friends are known to put some sneaky vodka in this. This is one of many recipes in my new cookbook. I'm so excited to share this with you because you've been wanting a cookbook for such a long time. And this is it. So this is a beautiful green slushie. Oh, here you go, mate. Cheers to your health. Oh my God, it's so cold. Brain freeze.
It's so good.
It's so good. It's so refreshing. This is magnificent. This is the perfect detox cleanser drink that I've ever tasted in my life. And oh my God, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. This is amazing. So I have a pineapple. Amazing. How much pineapple do I want? I want that much pineapple. Stick that back over there. Yeah, she taught me how to cut pineapples. So Mum, if you're watching, I'm gonna do exactly what you taught me, which is exactly this. Okay, I'm going to give it a bit of a wash. Cutting it up, I'm not going to use the core. Okay. Oh, we're funny today. Straight into here. I'm a chef, not a nutritionist, but I just know it's loaded with something spectacular. You're just going to cut this up roughly. So I've got about a good heap cup of this. And I've got about 2 heap cups of pineapple. Now I want water, just a little. And I want to blend it. And here's a bit of noise. Look at the colour of it. Just have a taste. Have a smell first. Let me smell this. It's nice, huh? Because the ice is water and yeah, blah, blah, blah. Blending again. Now I want to blend this so all those fiber bits of fiber, kind of break down a bit. So yeah, and can you hear the crunch of the ice? So I want that blended as well. Now this is where it's up to you. You can add a bit of coconut sugar if you want to. I'm not going to, I think it's perfect. That's quite a lot of parsley in there. It's good, isn't it, babe? Mix that through. I love using things like this, you know, just we have them, let's use them. Oh yeah, that lime's lovely. I'm actually going to pop that in there. There we go. That to me is one of the best cleansing, open-hearted, great after you've caught a plane and travelled a long distance on a plane, go home, hydrate. fantastic way to just build on, you know, especially that parsley. There's a lot of parsley, you know, a good heap cup of parsley. Enjoy. So this is a container of isms. This is a really huge situation, and you're probably thinking like, this must make so much green juice. Well, it does for me. It makes around about a litre and just a little bit more. And this goes into my body, and I could drink probably, how many bottles do I drink a day? Sometimes?
3 bottles.
3 bottles a day?
500 milli.
About 500 milli a bottle?
Yeah.
The juicer I'm using is the best goddamn juicer in the whole world. It is a number world juicer. It is phenomenal. What I love about it is I can just put everything in there and walk away. Seriously, this is a game changer juicer. If you want to invest in juicing, buy yourself a really good quality juicer, and this is the one. You know what? I just want to like call in my friend and the greatest cameraman in the whole world. Sorry, Come On's behind that camera, Weira's behind that camera, and Eddie's behind that camera. Weira, I want you to come and taste this. And no, you need to come and taste this now. Come in the kitchen and taste this.
I'm gonna like it.
How much am I gonna put in there? Don't waste it, yeah. Hang on, let me just really mix it up. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Stop. I finish it. Thank you, sir.
He's dying.
I need water.
Okay, let's cut up the actual greens. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just be clear for you, Komang. Komang doesn't eat vegetables, full stop. Komang doesn't eat vegetables, full stop. Like, he is not a vegetable eater at all. Sometimes he might have, what vegetables do you have? You said the other day I have egg and rice. So, okay, all right, come on. Let me just really get that chlorophyll moving. Oh, that's too much? Too bad. Try it. Oh, here we go.
Okay, that's right.
Oh, I love it.
Congrats.
I rest my case, yeah? I rest my case. See? Everybody thinks they can try it, love it, and everyone just gets, bleh, bleh. Look at me, I just love it. All the leafy greens, some herbs, celery and lime and cucumber, and then you put your hard vegetables last on top of the leafy greens. Close and push play. As this is doing this, I don't have a tamper pushing anything down. It captures it, so I can just walk away and continue what I'm doing around the kitchen and not have to stand near this. That's a game changer. I find I have brighter eyes when I drink green juice, to be honest. Brighter, I mean the white area of my eyes. I find my colon more hydrated. I find I'm not craving sugars. I'm going to chuck this strainer here because I think that's a genius idea.